Yo guys, G1 you're back with another video, and today we are unboxing the Evoshield player's duffel bag as long as the Rawlings R9 catcher's mitt. Without further ado, let's unbox this. Wow, this is a big glove. Here we got the catcher's mitt. Wow, this is thick leather. This is thick. Smells really good, not gonna lie. I like this glove. 32.5. Yeah, it's pretty good. Here's my my new baseball bag. I had to get a new one because my other bag started tearing. I mean, not tearing. The zipper started to break, so I want to get a new one for kind of cheap. Oh wow, pretty nice. So check the pockets to see how big this is. Probably should have brought my other bag out to see if it all fit. All right. That's so small. All right, so here's the inside. Yeah, once I get everything in here, I really know if it fits catcher's gear or not. It says it's not like designed to, but it says it will. Yeah, here are all the compartments. It's where your bats go. All those different slots in here. There's another pocket right here, huge pocket right here. Put some stuff in there. But yeah, I'm really excited. I'm really glad I got this. Like I said, I thought this was supposed to come next week, but it came today. And I wish I should have gotten my old catcher's mitt out here just so to show you, but literally the pocket's completely messed up. It's completely torn off, so I had to get a new one. I was trying to catch with it yesterday, but yeah, it's pretty stiff right here. It's gonna take a while to break this in. But yeah, that's my Evoshield player's duffel bag and my Rawlings R9 catcher's mitt unboxing. Fucking fly. All right, yeah, that's my video. If you like the video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, tell your friends about these videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.